Are you amazed to hear that Pensacola got hit with 5 inches of snow? On January 21st, Pensacola was blanketed with a historic 5 inches of snow, breaking the 130-year-old record. Unofficially, some areas even saw up to 7.5 inches. The city came to a standstill. Schools, government offices, and businesses all closed. Roads and bridges were deemed unsafe, and officials urged everyone to stay home. Despite the chaos, residents seized the rare chance to enjoy the snow. Sledding, building snowmen, and capturing the magic on camera became the day's top activities. Escambia County and Pensacola officials worked tirelessly, with snowplows and salt trucks ensuring emergency routes were clear. Local shelters expanded capacity, offering warmth and safety to those in need. Even the police lent a hand, providing transport to shelters and blankets. This unprecedented snowfall brought unique challenges, but it also brought the community together for some frosty fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.